about criminal liability, civil liability, and medical concern liability. Let me speak little on a defending part. So, what are the best defenses which we can adopt during our practice can avoid the litigation? My experience of 16 years today, I recommend five major part as a defense part, which if you follow 90% of the time or more than 90%, you will avoid all the litigation against you. You will be more successfully handle the case and also can be rescued very fast in any medical case. The first and very important defense which I always recommend and it still holds good is a medical record. If I talk about medical records are going to be different for different people. If I have an OPD setup, probably my prescription pad or prescription letterhead is going to be important because that is single piece of paper which I give to the patient, which is gone. Patient takes to many of the people to interpret your drugs. What you write on that is a very, very important print. Whatever you write on that is going to be the defending part for you. So OPD paper. If you're going to set up like a daycare center, like an aesthetic and hospital, so you got a daycare center or a dental setup, daycare center, or I talk about ophthalmic daycare centers. In many of the time, you do call patient for follow-ups. And for the procedures, like if you have done a root canal treatment, you may call for 3 sittings. If you are doing a chemical peeling, you can call for 3, 4 sittings. If it is a hair remover through laser, you may call for multiple sittings. So when there is a multiple settings in any procedure, naturally your paper changes. It could be a OPD paper, it could be your consent letter, it could be your continuation sheet, it could be your discharge summary or a summary of the procedure altogether. These are the very, very important paper which you need to be very careful. And the third, when you are in a hospital setup, naturally admission form, consent paper, then IPD sheets, continuation sheet, then TPR chart added on that, and the fifth and very important discharge summary. I'm not talking about a smaller paper, but I'm talking about major.